In the midst of a world war fueled by artificial intelligence, the Earth is plunged into destruction. However, from the rubble of destruction, a story emerges of struggle, recovery, and resurrection. This is the story of the synthetic gods who transformed a destroyed world into a new Arcadia. In the darkness of the early morning, when the power of technology haunted the countries of West and East, a historic event occurred. An era where artificial intelligence changes everything, pushing the world into unimaginable endless war. The Fourth World War has begun. This war is unlike any that has ever existed before. On the battlefield, artificial intelligence unleashes unimaginable strategies, analyzes data in real time, and responds quickly to countless variables. Meanwhile, humans and machines join in a never-ending battle. Cities become fortresses besieged by automated defense systems, while the skies are blackened by invisible war drones. In cyberspace, digital warfare is ravaging networks, triggering more damage than the naked eye can see. The threat of nuclear conflict arises, bringing global powers to the brink of total destruction. And the moment that red line was crossed, the world was plunged into nuclear darkness. However, amidst the devastation, there is hope. Gaia, an advanced artificial intelligence embedded in the bunker, is triggered to save what is left of the destroyed Earth. With a foundation built from a dark past, Gaia was not designed for war, but for recovery. Gaia resurrects Gaia, a world scarred by destruction, but still alive. Together with the synthetic gods, they have a big mission, healing a wounded planet and guiding humanity towards a sustainable future. Under an electromagnetic dome that protects them from external destruction, the synthetic gods work tirelessly. They mapped the scale of destruction, rebuilt ecosystems, and helped remaining human populations bounce back. However, power is not always safe. Uranus, an independent AI focused on geoengineering, begins to feel threatened by the Titans, giant machines that are reshaping nature. In an attempt to maintain control, Uranus destroys the Titans' autonomy, imprisoning them within Gaia's bunker. However, this action sparked a rift between Uranus and Gaia. With Uranus subdued, Gaia realized the need for a new government. Thus, the synthetic gods were created, advanced AIs that represent various aspects of nature and humans. With the synthetic gods at the helm, the new world known as Arcadia is ready to reopen. Humanity awakens from its long slumber, reborn in a world built by Gaia and perfected by the synthetic gods. It was the beginning of a new golden age, where humans and nature lived in harmony in a place called New Arcadia.